Darkness, sirens, missiles. I won't let any adversity define my mental state.
My name is Svetoslav Uluksienko. Good luck trying to pronounce it.
I come from the eastern part of Ukraine, where I graduated from one of the best engineering high schools in the country. A year ago, my family was forced to move to Turkey, where I also lived for the half of the year, until I arrived at Maharishi school.
So, who am I and what can I offer you?
I'm fond of taking photos of nature, long walks with deep talks, and playing with my big fluffy Labrador. But to truly know me, you must know my calling. Since I wrote my first line of code, I've been immersed in programming and its combination with other fields. Programming is the activity that allows me to turn ideas into working solutions and express my inner desire to change the world. It can be inventing the technology that improves wireless networks, creating a delightful website for a travel agency, or producing a robot for FTC robotics team.
Chucky, what do you think about it?
I may be small now, but just wait. I'll soon be leading the robot uprising.
A huge part of my life has always been volunteering.
Having a meaningful impact on the lives of others is essential to my sense of fulfillment. I learned new skills, met incredible people, and gained valuable experiences. One thing helped me to keep a cool head and a heart on fire. I've been practicing karate for over a decade, beginning at the age of 3. My journey has been a synthesis of physical exertion, mental discipline, and self-discovery. Through my training, I have developed qualities such as resoluteness, tenacity, and the ability to persevere through any adversity.
Despite all the challenges, I continue my trainings, in anticipation to soon resume my journey.
But let's stop talking about the past.
If you're wondering about my future plans, I'm going to do something grandiose, something that will change the world. And this is